Hey guys, how's it going? How to delete subscriptions on YouTube or other platforms. So if you're like me using iPhone, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just simply go ahead to your settings. And amazing thing about iPhone, they will gather all of your subscriptions from different platforms if you are using the Apple Pay method, right? So they will keep track on everything that you subscribe to, and you will be able to see it in one section, and you're going to be able to delete it from one section. So I'm going to just click right here my account on Apple ID, and basically what you're going to do, you're going to be able to see all of your payment and shipping, or you're going to see right here subscriptions. So basically click on the subscriptions, and you're going to see all of the subscriptions across other platforms like YouTube and others, right? And as you can see right here, you're going to be able to see all of them, subscriptions that you actually that you actually subscribe to, and basically you're going to be able to see if it was active or not, and just go ahead to the any specific app, and then basically you're going to see two options to cancel that subscription, right? So basically confirm it by your Apple ID and password, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.